Hi guys, how are you doing? Tonight's Poison here, sharing with you my favorite cocktail of all time, the Smoke Old Fashioned. In fact, I call this one the Tonight's Poison Old Fashioned. Here is my recipe I'll be sharing with you guys. I'm going to start off with 2 pure cane sugar cubes. Then 2 dashes of Angostura aromatic bitters. Boom. And then I like to add 1 dash of orange bitters for that orange zest, even though we'll have a little orange later. And 2.5 ounces of one of my favorite whiskeys, the Amador 10 barrel. This is a straight hop flavored whiskey, which gives my cocktail its uniqueness. Boom. There we go. Lastly, we add the ice. And you don't want to dilute this. That's why I add the ice at the end. So let's pour this in. You might have noticed something in front of you, right? So this is my favorite part, the smoker. This is by Smoking Lou. Check out his Instagram. Fantastic little gadget. He has a lot of unique ones. I got mine from him recently. And my favorite part of a smoked old fashioned is a smoke. So let me show you how it's done. Let's see here. So we're gonna go with the Crown Maple wood chips. I'm gonna take some of these wood chips here. And I'm gonna put it in my smoker. Like so. Let's get this guy on top so we can lock in that smoke. All right, and then my trusty cigar lighter. Thank God I was a cigar smoker. Oh baby, just look at that smoke go. And as you can see, the smoke is in my glass, and this beautiful, beautiful, magnificent smoker. And now the reveal. That's my old fashioned. I'm gonna top it off with the little ice ball after, because I don't want it to dilute. And then add a little flair to it, additional orange zest by Fresh Orange. There we go. We'll drop that guy in there. And last but not least, no drink will be complete without the Maraschino Cherries. And I'm going to double up on those too, because I absolutely love these. And there you have it, guys. That's my smoked old fashioned, the Tonight's Poison way. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Check out the recipe below. Comment if you like it and what's your unique twist on it. For me, it's all about making a unique twist to your liking. This is to my liking. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Comment, like. Thank you, and cheers for the follow.